Soundstripe.
If if my mom never made the decision to leave, or if I stayed down here for a longer period of time, that could have been probably the only feasible means of transportation for me. Because not everybody has a car. And I don't know, it's just like a pseudo, like, what's that word looking? What's the word I'm looking for? Like, when you go to those movies and it's like a riff in time because there's a decision to be made. It's like, what if you went left instead of right? And that's what that's like for me in a moment, because it's like, if life would have went left for me, or if life would have went right for me instead of left, that could have been my lifestyle. What keeps me up at night is the lack of access, the lack of stable internet and stable information. But they shouldn't be denied the right to travel. They shouldn't be denied the right to access to certain parts of information and stuff like that. And that's why it's still important to invest, even though they're happy, because I feel people should be happy with choices. We give them the choices and they have the opportunity and they still choose to live their life the way they're living their life, then yeah, that's perfect. But what about the one that wants to do a little bit more? What about the one who wants to travel, go somewhere? What about the one who wants to go to the beach more often? So live the life the way you want to live your life, but you should still have the opportunity to drastically change your life if that's what you want to do.
It's funny enough, a lot of people that live in Jamaica then migrate to other places outside of Jamaica don't really do what he's doing on this level. They might help out their families or somebody close to them that they grew up with, but not just like a whole parish or a whole community. You know what I mean? So whatever he's doing right now is great, and I wish more people would adapt to that.